Hi there. In this video, we're going to show you how to put money on your crypto.com account. As you can see, we're on the home page, and before doing anything, you need to have a bank linked to your crypto.com account. Start on the home page using the mobile app. Then go down to Accounts at the bottom and tap on it. Here you will see the crypto wallet. And once you tap on the crypto wallet, you will notice a few options at the top, including buy, sell, pay, and transfer. What you need to do is click on Transfer, choose Deposit, and select the type of crypto you want to deposit. If we're depositing Ethereum, simply choose the correct network and copy the address to use on the other platform you're transferring from. There will be an estimated arrival time displayed, so you just need to wait for that process to complete. Always double-check that the network you select matches the network used on the other platform to avoid losing your crypto. And that's it. Thank you for watching.